Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In this tutorial, we are doing problems in differentiation. Now, the first question up there requires us to use the chain rule of differentiation, and the second question requires us to use the quotient rule of differentiation. Now, let's begin with the first question. Now, when you're using the chain rule, you are going to say dy dx is equal to dy du by du dx. All right. Now we're going to let u is equal to 2x plus 3. So we say let u is equal to 2x plus 3. Now we can find du dx. Okay. So we say now du dx is equal to 2. Okay. Now we are going to look for dy du. Now, if u is equal to 2x plus 3, we can now say y is equal to u to the power of 5. So we're saying y is equal to u to the power of 5. And then we can find dy du, and that's going to give us 5u to the power of 4. Okay, so now we've got what we need. We've got du dx, we'll put it there. We've got dy du, we put it there. All right. So now we're going to say dy dx is equal to dy du is 5 u to the power of 4. That's multiplying du dx is 2 right there. Okay, so this is going to give us 10 u to the power of 4. Okay, but we need to take it back so that it is in terms of x. So I'm going to say dy dx is equal to 10. And remember, u is 2x plus 3. So 2x plus 3 to the power of 4. Right, now that first part is done. Now we're going to do the second part, and that is b. Now we are given the function y is equal to 2x plus 3 to the power of 5 divided by x plus 1. So now we're going to use the quotient rule to differentiate that. Now, the quotient rule states that dy dx, that is if you are given y is equal to u over v. Okay, if you are given that. So in this case, our u is going to be 2x plus 3 to the power of 5, and our v will be x plus 1. So this is equal to v du dx minus u dv dx, and that is all being divided by v squared. Now we need to find du dx and dv dx. All right. So now, since we've said our u is the numerator is equal to 2x plus 3 to the power of 5, we can find du dx. All right. So we are going to say du dx is equal to, but you remember we use the chain rule from up above there. Okay, so we cannot just repeat it. We just take the result from the top part. We are going to have 10 2x plus 3 then to the power of 4. And now that is du dx. So we've got this one. Now let's look at dv dx. Our v, you remember we said is x plus 1. So we're going to say v is equal to x plus 1, and then dv dx is equal to 1. Now it's time for us now to take this and that into that formula for the quotient rule. Now we are going to say now dy dx is equal to v. You remember v is x plus 1. So we got x plus 1. Then that is multiplying du dx. Du dx is this part here. So that's multiplying 10, then 2x plus 3 to the power 4. minus, we're subtracting u dv dx. dv dx is 1 and u is that one. So we're just going to multiply 1 times that, and we are going to get 2x plus 3 to the power of 5. And all of that is being divided by v squared. And our v is x plus 1. So we're going to say x plus 1 squared. Now we can just rewrite this nicely because this 10 here is not in a good position. So we're just going to say, therefore, dy dx is equal to 10x plus 1. Then that's multiplying 2x plus 3 to the power of 4 minus 2x plus 3 to the power of 5. And all of that is being divided by x plus 1 squared. And we've come to the end of this question. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.